In the heaven, a temptation led to sin. Adam and Eve were casted out of heaven. They had 3 sons, Cain, Abel, and Seth. Cain killed Abel, and the first blood was shed on the face of the earth. After killing Abel, Cain was cursed for life because of his brutality. He fled into the wilderness. His corrupt descendants also spread evil on earth. After many years, Almighty blessed Eve with a son named Seth to continue Adam's message. Only the descendants of Seth defended and protected what was left of creation. Almighty chose a prophet from the 8th generation of Seth to walk on the right path and deliver his message. His name was Noah. While the children of Cain were destroying the earth through their wickedness, Prophet Noah was trying to make the lands a better place to live. Noah had a revelation of a great flood that will destroy everything and purify the planet of all treacherous and sinful behavior of man. He went to the people, preaching them to stop evilness and believe in Almighty. Almighty gave him a task to build a giant ark to house and save all the righteous people and the animal species from the flood. Noah and his family accepted the immense task and believed that they had been chosen to save the innocent. Noah was surprised if he could be able to construct a ship of such capacity, but Almighty helped him to grow a dense forest, the trees of which he can use to build the ark. He was also sent help from the heaven in the form of angels to accomplish the mission. Prophet Noah started building the ship. The process lasted for many years. It is believed to have lasted for over 100 years. During the construction, Prophet Noah was mocked and laughed upon by the non-believers, warning him to abandon the task. As the time passed, the vessel took a gigantic size no man had ever seen. It is also believed to have attracted attention of the animal species from all around the world. Each of the species fled to the ship in pairs. Finally, the first drop of rain fell to the ground. Rain turned into storm. Storm into the great flood. Non-believers tried their best to take shelter on the ark, but Almighty never allowed them and they drowned. Everything evil was washed out from the face of the earth. Only those survived who were in the wooden ark. Their journey in the great ark finally came to an end. Prophet Noah and his family found the land. The generations of men in the present world belong to the 3 sons of Prophet Noah, Ham, Shem, and Japheth. The only belief that kept them going was, no brother will kill another brother. No nation will harm other nation. No one will go against the Creator.